خلق دسمی کدغره شکلی دی طول دنیا کی پشتانه شکلی دی یار اشتارا باندی یارا اشتارا باندی چلوا زما بریک کستا باندې شکلی دی I'm just good evening to all guests and my friends and welcome you all. I will just give a brief introduction to Pashto language. Pashto language is the language of Pashtuns. Pashtuns are the world's largest segmentary lineage ethnic group. According to the ethnologue, the total population of group is estimated more than 60 millions. Ethnically, Pashtun make up 65 to 70% population of Afghanistan. Pashto is not only the name of a language, but it comprises all traditions, norms, and values of the Pashtun people. The history of Pashtun language comprises thousands of years. It is widely believed that among the Pashtun that the earliest written Pashto poem were written in the 8th century by Hamid Karor. At the early 19th century, when European scholars became interested in Pashto origin, Mount Stuart, John Malcolm, Bernard Doran, and James Drumstetter believed in Aryan origin of Pashtuns. Afghanistan. Pashtuns are called Afghans, Bainan Pashtuns. Pashto is called Afghani, based on Ghaznavi area. Afghanistan, as a documented in history of Herat, 12 AD, has a history of more than 700 years. There are two earlier written books of Pashto. Pata Khazana or Hidden Treasure, compiled by Muhammad Hotak in 1728. It traces Pashto literature's poetic symbols. And the second one is Tazkiratul Awliya, written by Pashto by Suleiman Mako in 1215, extends to the history of Pashto prose about 800 years. The Pashtuns are said to be elegant, colorfully attired, hospitable, considerate, fierce and hated, and kind in friendship. Though very dedicated to their religious belief, they are also fond pleasure. They are known for their marksmanship and their love of honor. Pashtuns are a race of warriors who live primarily in Afghanistan. The Pashtuns have played an important role in the history of the region. From the community, they come Muslim rulers, administrators, soldiers, while many of them move out of the high islands in search of easier life in the plains. Their mountains, homeland continues to be their citadel and of strength and freedom. Pashtuns are historically inhabited mainly in Afghanistan, Pakistan, northwest frontier, and Balochistan. The communities of Pashto speakers are found in the northeastern Iran, primarily in South Khorasan, Tajikistan, the southwestern part of Jammu and Kashmir in India, Middle East, especially in the United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia, as well as in the United States, particularly in California, in the United Kingdom, Thailand, Canada, and Australia. In Pakistan, Pashto spoken by more than 30 million people in northwest frontier province, federally separated by tribal areas. Pashto not only played an important role in the South Asia but in Central Asia, including Middle East. The Afghan royal family, which was represented by King Zahir Shah, is one of ethnic Pashtun origin of the prominent Pashtun include of the 17th century poet Khushal Khan Khattak, Rahman Baba, and contemporary era Afghan astronaut Abdullah Momen. Former US ambassador to United Nations, Zalmay Khalilzad, was of Afghan origin, and then he was the ambassador of US to Iraq and Afghanistan. Ashraf Ghani Ahmadzai, who was candidate to the UN Assembly and in competition to the Ban Ki-moon. Ethnic Pashtuns of Pakistan, notably Ayub Khan, Yahya Khan, Ghulam Isa Khan, attained the presidency. Ghulam Muhammad became the Governor General of Pakistan from 1951 to 1955. And even more, Shahid Afridi is an original Pashtun. Imran Khan, who won 1992 World Cup of Cricket. Yunus Khan, who won the 2007 World Cup of cricket T20 for Pakistan. He was also origin of Afghan in Pashtun. Jahangir Khan and Jansher Khan, the squash champions in Pakistan, are also origin of Pashtun. Now come to India. In India, one of India's former president, Zakir Hussain, had Pashtun origin of Afridi tribe, who came from upper middle class Pashtun family settled in Farrukhabad. India's former ambassador to Algeria and advisor to Indira Gandhi is ethnic Pashtun related to legendary Bacha Khan. Bacha Khan, who was freedom fighter with Gandhiji, son of Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. And many of Bollywood film stars, India trace the roots are connected to the ethnic group, including Madhubala, Qadir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Dilip Kumar, Feroz Khan, Salman Khan, Fardeen Khan, Suhail Khan, Anil Kapoor, Sanjay Kapoor, and many of other Kapoor families. Check. Pathans of Punjab, Pathans of Gujarat. Pathans of Gujarat, we can give the example of Yusuf Pathan and Irfan Pathan. Palanpur Pathans, Kanpur Pathans, Bangash and Zadran in UP and Gujarat. Rohila Committee and UP. They are from very beginning, they are there and their root is connected to Pashtuns of Afghanistan, which Indian variation it is called Pathan. Pashtun in the Middle East. Hundreds of thousands of Pashtuns in the Middle East, particularly United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait, Oman in Arab countries. Many of them are involved in transport business, while others are employees of construction company. Pashtuns in Europe. Pashtuns migrated from the homeland in Central Asia to Europe. The following statistics: the number of Pashtun in the European countries: Germany 55,000, France 33,000, Australia 80,000, Netherlands 60,000. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is home to large number of Pashtun, making it one of the most populous overseas Pashtun community in the world and the most populous in the West. Pashtun diaspora in UK have made their presence felt through their restaurant in traditional names like Babi Khaibar, Kuchra, Kabuli Pulao, and music, and it's the most vibrant Pashtun diaspora in the West. Pashtun in other part of the world. Canada, Australia, South Asia, and East Asia. Since the early 19th, there have been many generations of Pashtun. Pashtun settlement in Thailand, they have been common throughout the provinces. There is even a Thai Pashtun or Pashtun friendship association. Countries like Cambodia, Laos, Indonesia, Malaysia, China, Taiwan, and Japan also have similar cases of Pashtun settlements. And there is one Indian poet who gave the poem about Pashtuns. The men of Kabul went to home, and whenever they were questioned about the Muslims of Kohistan or the mountains and how matters stood there, they said, "Don't call it Kohistan but Afghanistan, for there is nothing there but Afghans and Afghans." Pashto is taught at very few universities in the United States, Canada, UK, and some other nations. And I will conclude my topic with the first poet of Pashto, Zaim Zmarai Pade Nadi Lama Atal Nista. Zaim Zmarai Pade Nadi Lama Atal Nista. Pahin Dosindu Patakharo Pakabal Nista. Bal Pazabal Nista Lama Atal Nista. Rashi Daman Mizi the Breshna for Berzamuno Bandi, Pamati Duno Bandi, Lama Atal Nista, Pahin Dosindu Patakharo Pakabal Nista, Bal Pazabal Nista, Lama Atal Nista.